How to know if someone blocked you on Fiverr. So, if you believe that someone has blocked you on Fiverr and then you are curious as to whether or not you're 100% sure, now you can see this certain chat. Now, basically, when you have been blocked on Viber or when they block you, your message first of all will not get delivered. So you can see the previous messages that got delivered and also got seen. At that time, I was not blocked, but now I have asked this person to block me for making this tutorial. And now, after that person has blocked me, then if you send a message, you will only see a single check, which means the message was not delivered. Second is you can also try to place a call. Now, chances are, even when you place a call, it will not say not available like in other apps. It will go ahead and place a call, but then the other person will not be notified of it, which means it will only get to calling and not ringing, as you can see right here. So, this is how it works, right? Now, sometimes it could also be that particular person is offline, and the only way to figure it out is to simply try to go ahead and then message them with another phone number or Viber account if you have, and then if the message get delivered from your another account but then the message does not get delivered from this account, then it is 100% sure that that person may have blocked you. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.